be notified. Guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make exfoliating body scrub. This scrub will help to exfoliate your skin, remove dead skins from your skin, thereby whatsoever you are using on your skin is oil or cream, whitening cream, lightening cream, moisturizing cream, whatsoever cream you are using on your skin will work perfectly for you. It's very important to scrub your skin at least 2 times in each week. You scrub your skin very well. When you don't scrub your skin, whatsoever you are using might not work for you. So it's very important to exfoliate your skin, removing those dead skin cells from your skin. Without wasting much of your time, guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this exfoliating body scrub. These are the ingredients I'm going to use to make this scrub, and I've already measured out some of them. First, I'm using brown sugar, and this is 1 cup of my brown sugar. This helps to exfoliate the skin. I'm also using white sugar, and I'm using 1 cup of it. And I'm also using, this is turmeric essential oil. This is honey. This is vitamin E capsule. In here I have olive oil. I have my glutathione powder. In here I have my carrot oil. I also have my glycerin, the whitening glycerin. I'm also using, this is African black soap. This is optional. I'm using glowing oil. This is optional. You can use or you can skip using it. I also have my clean sanitized container that I will use to pour all the scrub after mixing them. So guys, let's start mixing. Stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back. In here I have some of my African black soap here. So I will add my glycerin. I'm going to add like 30 ml of my whitening glycerin. This scrub will also lighten your skin. The next one I'm going to add is my olive oil, and I'm adding 15 ml of my olive oil. It will also help to moisturize your skin. The next one I'm going to add is my honey. This is it. I'll be adding 30 ml of my natural honey. The next ingredients I'm going to add is my turmeric powder. Sorry, I didn't show you guys. I'm using turmeric powder also in my mixture, and I'm not adding much. I'm just adding half tablespoon of my turmeric powder. Sorry. Okay, now I'm going to measure out my glutathione powder, whitening powder, and I'm going to use my carrot oil to dissolve this. This is half tablespoon of my glutathione powder. So I'm going to use 15 ml of my carrot oil to dissolve it. So mix it very well so it can dissolve very well. Do this off camera. So I will now add my glutathione powder into my mixture. I will now melt it very well. I will mix it very well. Very well with my small mixer. What I will do now is, because of these rolls, I will just go and use my mortar to pound it. I will pound it to get a very smooth texture. Stay tuned. Okay guys, this is the texture I got after pounding it. But if you want a smoother texture, you need to pound it very well. So the next ingredient I'm going to be adding is my turmeric essential oil, and I'm adding 15 ml of my turmeric essential oil into my mixture. The next is my carrot oil. I use 15 ml to dissolve the glutathione powder, and I'm adding one more 15 ml of my of my carrot oil. The last but not the least is my vitamin E capsule, and I'm adding 5 capsules of it. So this is it. So that is all. I will go ahead and mix them very well. Then I will add my sugar to it. To mix all this, I need a bigger bowl. Okay, I will add my sugar. Then I'll add my brown sugar. And mix them very well. After mixing the white sugar and the brown sugar together. So the next one I'm going to add is my those mixture I made at the beginning of this video. That my black soap with others. Add it now to my mixture. I will just mix them together now. After mixing it, I'll bring it back and show you how it came out to be. Stay tuned. Guys, I will now add it into my clean sanitized container. I did not add the glowing oil again. I just decided not to add it. So like I said, it's optional. You can add, you can choose to add, or you can leave it. So let me pour it into clean sanitized container. Nice. Here is our brown sugar body scrub. You scrub 2 times in a week. If you want to use the scrub, you scrub 2 times in a week. Guys, now I want to show you how to make use of this scrub in case if you want to use it at home. This is the scrub. Look at what you will do. First of all, you pour a bit of water in your body. You take a bit of the scrub like this. Take a bit. This one is much. Reduce it, then you scrub. Scrub in a circular motion. If you have a dark knuckles, you bend it and scrub everywhere. So this is it. It smells very nice. So after scrubbing, this is how it is. You allow it to stay like 5 minutes, then you wash it off. After 5 minutes, now wash it off. And your hand will look smooth. After washing it off, you moisturize your body very well. So this is my hand.